J. Swaminarayan, myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, subjects Maths. So, chapter 11 is of algebra. Okay, so we will start our new chapter today. Uh, there are so many branches of maths. So, arithmetics is the branch where we study about the numbers. Okay, so numbers from 0 to, that is natural numbers or whole numbers, whatever it, integer numbers, whatever it may be. Then the branch where we study the shapes, about the shapes, it is geometry. And the new branch which study the uh, mathematics, or we can say with the help of letters, is called algebra. Now let's see what we study in algebra. The main feature of the new branch which we are going to study is the use of letters. Use of letters will allow us to write rules and formula in general ways. You can say, if we write the formula of area of square is equal to side into side, where we write here S into S or L into L. If it is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, then we write here 2 into bracket L plus B. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. So this in this way we use the letters in formulas. Okay. Mhm. Rules and formula. By using letters, we can talk about any numbers and just a particular number. Secondly, the letter may stand for unknown quantities. For unknown quantities also we can take letters. By learning method of determining unknowns, we develop the powerful tools for solving puzzles and many problems from daily life. Thirdly, since the letter stands for numbers, operations can be performed on them as on numbers. This leads to the study of algebraic expression and their properties. Okay, you will find algebra interesting and useful. It is very useful in solving problems. So, let's see. Matchstick pattern. So I think in the fifth standard you have studied with the help of matchsticks. We have made different geometrical shape, that is triangle, then rectangle, squares. So many shapes we can make with the help of matchsticks. Okay. So see here which matchstick pattern we are discussing here. Amina and Sarita are making patterns with matchsticks. They decided to make simple patterns of letter of English alphabet. Amina takes two matchsticks and form letter L. Okay, L, it is capital L, and with the help of matchstick she forms the letter L. See here, this is one L. After that she made the second also. Then Sarita also pick two stick and form another letter. That means this is the one letter L and this is the second letter L. That is two L's are formed. And put the third and one made by Amina, and so on. So this is the three L's. Okay. So can anyone tell me how much matchsticks are required for one L? Two matchsticks are required. For two, 4. For 3L it required 6, right now? So let's see. Then Appu comes. He looks at the pattern. Appu always asks questions. He asks the girls, how many matchsticks will require to form 7L? Now they are made up to 3. Okay. So he asks the girls, how many sticks are required for 7? So Amina and Sarita are systematic. They go on forming the patterns 1, 2, 3. So instead of making patterns, can they answer the questions? Definitely. How? See here. This is the table. The number of L forms 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Suppose we will take up to 7 because he asked up to 7. Okay. The number of matchsticks required. For 1 L it requires 2. For 2 L it requires 4. For 3 L it requires 6. For 4L it requires 8. For 5L it requires 10. For 6, 12. And for 7, number of matchsticks required are 14. Get it? Now, Appu get the answer to his question from this table. Of course, they can. These girls are systematic and they can arrange the matchsticks and answer his question also. But without forming the pattern, he also can get answer from this table. While writing table, Amina realized that the number of matchsticks required is twice the number of L form. See, if you also observe this pattern, then you can find if L form is 4, then number of stick required 8. So 8 is double of 4 na? If we see about 8, so if L form is 8, the number of matchsticks required are 16. That is double of it na? Number of matchstick required is equal to 2 multiplied by number of L's. For convenience, let us take a letter N. Okay, so if 1 L is formed, number of N is equal to 1. So 1 into 2 we get 2. So here we have taken N as a 1. So 2 into 1 we get 2, and so on. Thus N can be natural numbers. Okay, it is start from 1 to 5 dot dot dot. It's a natural number. We think to write the number of matchstick required 2 into n. Instead of writing 2 into n, we can write 2n. Okay, 2n means also 2 multiplied by n. Okay, then Amina tells her that just 1 minute. Amina tells her friend that her rule gives the number of matchstick required for forming any number of L's. Yes, definitely, because we get the formula. What she asked her friends, that you can tell me the how much number of L you require, I will give the answer, because she got the formula. Which formula? Number of stick required is equal to 2n, and n start for number of L's. Get it? So thus for n, you can see on the screen also, otherwise you can see on page number 222. Okay, so for n is equal to 1, the number of matchsticks required is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. Okay, for n is equal to 2, the number of matchsticks required is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. For n is equal to 3, the number of matchstick required is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. These numbers agree with those tables from table 1. Okay, Sarita says the rule is very powerful. Using the rule, I can say how many matchsticks are required even to form 100 L's. Definitely, we know the formula. So instead of writing 1, 2, 20, 30, we can also tell the number of matchsticks required for 100 number, that is 100 L's. Do you agree with Sarita? Yes, definitely, because we have know the formula. We have to just put the value into n, then we get the number of matchsticks. So do you understand what here we want to tell you, that it is the n or any letter we are using that gives us formula, and second thing, it tells us about the unknown numbers. Okay, it is variable, definitely variable, it is not fixed, but according to that we can change the value and also make a formula and answer the questions also. Get it? It is the just an example what is, how we can use the letter in formula, or we can say in rules. Okay, now second topic is the idea of variables. Okay, in the above example we